do an unboxing video for the Tineco A11 Master Stick Vacuum. Okay, here we go. So the packaging itself looks really nice. It did come in 2 boxes, so I would say it's very secure. All right. Here we go. So it looks like everything is individually packaged with some helpful pictures on it. All right, let's see what's in this first box here. Looks like this might be the mount where you can plug the batteries in to charge it. Yes, this is a stand. You can keep some attachments in it. I know the battery plugs in here to charge. The stick will go over here in this part to keep it upright. This looks like to the stick part. It's a nice color. Comes labeled. It says Tineco on it. Okay, let's see what else. Oh. This must be the hand part. Comes nicely wrapped in this cloth to keep it definitely well protected. Here it is. This looks like the battery goes here. The stick must attach here. There it is. Very nice. I believe this is a flexible extender attachment. See, it has a nice bend to it, so you can get in some hard to reach places. That's nice. It comes with this head. This one looks like it has the agitating brush on it, so this one's probably good for the carpet. Got some nice swivel action. Well, that's nice. Comes with this one. Now this one I know is good for hardwood floors. It's better at picking up hard, bigger pieces of material. This is the soft roller. If you actually feel it, it's very velvety, which is nice. Again, same good swivel action as the other one. This, if you look on top, it shows you all the different attachments that come in this box. You know, there's the crevice tool, there's a tool in here to clean out the hair that sometimes gets caught on the bristles. Wow, this one has got a lot of stuff in it. There's an extender hose here. It's very long. Hooks on. This looks like it is a brush, the attachment. It's got soft bristles. This looks like another attachment, another extender attachment. Oh. This is the one that I believe goes right on there. Clean the filter. This one comes pretty packaged. The head for the, if you want to make this into the stick vac, the handheld one. clips right on like this. This is pretty lightweight. I know it's about 5.5 pounds. It's not too heavy. I'd say it'd work well. There's another one. Brush, this will be good on like upholstery, bedding. This will work nicely on that. Also clips right to this. A crevice one, a crevice attachment, always good to have. And I believe this is an additional battery. And there it is. 2 batteries. One came on here already. And